Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
You can't leave a premium for family plan on your own. Only the plan owner can remove you from it. I'd recommend asking the plan owner when the subscription ends. Also, all members of a premium for family plan must reside at the same address as the plan owner.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Spotify allows premium users to install the application on as many devices as you like. And up to 3,333 songs can be synced for offline listening on up to 3 devices at a time. However, you can only stream music on one device at a time.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
They will not lose their personal account data unless they choose to cancel the individual plan. They will need to log into their own account once removed and make sure they have the right info on file to start bill premium separately, or they can go to the free individual plan.
Take our lead.
Spotify Family. The subscription costs $15 a month and offers ad-free, on-demand playback and offline listening, plus unlimited song skipping. Splitting the cost of a premium account among at least a few people will definitely save you some money each month.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.